You're welcome, and in this video I'll be sharing with you how you could trade any crypto of your choice into buying USDT. Either you're using USDT to buy Bitcoin or any crypto of your choice. The first thing you have to do is you have to log into your Binance app. After you have logged into your Binance app, you have to come to this particular section, which is market. You have to come to this section, which is market. You tap on it. After you tap on it, you just have to come to this search bar over here, and type the currency in which you want to buy. For example, let's say I want to buy Bitcoin. For example, I have to type it in it, that Bitcoin. Let's wait for it to load, or you just tap on the search and just wait for it to load. After it load, it will bring out Bitcoin and the pair. Means you can be paired with Bitcoin USDT, Bitcoin with other cryptocurrency in which you can pair with it. So let's wait for it to load. You could see now it has finally loaded, and you could see that Bitcoin is paired with a lot of token. Let me show you. A lot of them as just stable coins, in which you can see the pair of BTC to USDT, which is a stable coin. You can see the pair of BTC to FDUSDC is a stable coin likewise, and you can see this other one is wrapped BTC. You can see Bitcoin with USDC. And this other one, the next one is also wrap BTC. You can see Bitcoin with JPY. You can see wrap Bitcoin with Ethereum, and you can see Bitcoin with TRY. You can see Bitcoin with Solana, and a whole lot of them. So if I continue to scroll down, you will see a lot of pair which you can, which the cryptocurrency, if you're having them, you can trade them back to Bitcoin if you need them. So let me show you more. And you can also see if you have XRP and you want to convert it into Bitcoin, you can see it pair here. You can see Bitcoin with Euro. Likewise, you can see Bitcoin with Doge and the likes. Let's say I have USDT which I want to turn into uh, Bitcoin. Let's say because of the bull run and now. So I'll just tap on the first one here, which is Bitcoin USDT. You have to tap on it. You could see we have two buttons right here, which are the buy button and the sell button. Let's say I want to buy, I have to tap on the buy button, and if I'm to sell out, just tap on the sell button. Let me just click on that I want to buy. You are allowed it to load. I'm just waiting for it to load. So mind you, the first thing you need to do is that I have to that the margin has to be on spot. This is not for future or margin trading or copy trading or bot trading. So it has to be on spot, because this particular tutorial is for spot traders. So you have to look at this very well, that it has to be on spot. So if it's on spot, so let's trade now. So here you will be able to see that I'm having 50 USDT. I'm not in this particular video, I'm not trading my USDT to, but you could see down here that I'm having 50.1 like that USDT. So you want to do, you just have to drag this. Let's say I want to buy with that 50 USDT. You could see the amount of Bitcoin it will give me. It will actually give me 0.00047 BTC, which you can see here. Let me just show you here. You see, this is the amount of BTC I'm going to get. So if I tap on the buy icon here now, it will pick the particular trade. And one other thing you need to know is that you need to check the market price. This is the current market price which BTC is being sold. This is it. That is 105,393 USDT. And also you could see here likewise is the same thing. Let me say I want to buy, I'm thinking okay, the price is going to fall and I want to buy BTC at a lower price. I could just come this other place and adjust it. Let me say that BTC will fall down to 100,000. I could just come down to this place and tap 100,000. You see now. So I'll just tap it there, and I'll just put it that way. That means if BTC laterally fall, then it will trigger the trade which I've actually opened, it will trigger it and it will pick by itself. Even though I'm online or I'm not online, it will just trigger it and it will just buy. And let's say for example I want to sell, I tap on the sell button here. Maybe I just bought and I'm thinking, okay, the price of BTC will go to $150. Let me adjust here that it goes to $150,000. And the other time we saw that we bought, let's say we bought the 0.012347 BTC. You see, meaning that $50 I actually bought, then must have given me, if it rise to $150, that means it must have given me 70 USDT. So if I tap on this sell button right here, that means when BTC gets to $150, it will just trigger and it will just sell immediately. So this is how to use your USDT to buy and to sell in using Binance. So if this video was really helpful, please kindly like, share, and click on the bell notification, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.